Firstly, needs to give power to the robotic hand. For that, I use power bank. After connecting power, robotic arm or MCU board, which is located in the robotic hand, will be automatically connect to the home Wi-Fi. After that, the robotic hand automatically connect to the Firebase database. After giving power to the robotic hand, need to connect the EMG sensor to the laptop or PC to start EMG capturing process. After the previous process, need to place the two electrodes on two hands. Needs to place the positive electrode on the working hand near the end of the hand muscle, and another electrode should place on the other hand, because this is process needs to capture EMG signal difference between two hands. This script is used to enable the serial connection between the EMG sensor and Python script to the capture EMG data from EMG sensor. For enable the serial communication, need to run EMGP function. After run the function, can we see the serial communication versus the output that come from EMG sensor is redirect to CSV file, because need to correct those data for input into neural net output.csv file. This is the temporary brain of the system. This file holds EMG data that collect from EMG sensor until input the neural network. Also, this file contain only 23 EMG data because the neural network input size is 23. We need to input only 23 data length to the neural network to get final output. This is the final prediction script. This script is used to run neural network and get the final output from the neural network using the output.csv file. In this script, firstly I get data from the output.csv file, then automatically input all data to the neural network by using the script. After input can get the final output. And this script need to run PRE function, that is the main function of the script. After running the function can get final output from neural network and can send the final output to the Firebase database. This is the Firebase real-time database. That database is connected to RoboHand and final prediction script. According to the output that comes from neural network, the Firebase database will be updated, and according to that real-time data, the robotic arm work. The Node MCU board, which is located in the robotic hand, has been collect data from the Firebase database. According to that data, the robotic hand will be work.